Hall Academy hours a day, you say, I know the ramping this sweet you. You have your polish pan buggy, you have your big Joe box Drew's trailer, you sail kite, you play 1, 2, 3 red light, you play bottom ball. The whole of generation, them always take out one run, something out a bamboo root, and that they always use as for them ball. In a female generation, now when time me when I grow up, when them boy catch a hole, one whole bicycle tube, and then get one whole razor blade where them man always take put in a stick razor for shave. I just see one of them hole and then the other one start period make some little thin strip elastic where them go wrap you now. Them start off with one small stone and they start with wrap elastic round the stone, wrap elastic round the stone until they make one cricket ball. If that they lick you, beg God take you. But I hit I know they have done a come and run a Bernard Valley and I hit them go use and now play cricket. Them at the time they know whether you are boy or girl. Once you left you in the morning unless they call you hours o'clock a day if you send you go shop, them now bless you upon you until afternoon. You ram to your heart's content and when hungry take your bush you go read people mango tree and apple tree and guinea tree and pear tree and cashew tree and all kind of tree because one thing for certain and two for sure, especially down at St. Elizabeth there so papa, sweet sap, sour sap, mango, you name it, them have it. You run up and down holy blank day for mass, God send morning until he send night, fit like a figgle, little boys and little girls playing together and all the innocence. Most little boys never even have the privilege of wearing brief and most of them behind always tear. When you see them again what they say the beer behind Jaya look pan. The little girl them always have a little baggy, but most of the time the elastic in the waist stretch out. So half the time they either tie and have one bump at the waist or when time they run after if you have one and a hold you up. Nobody never business with nobody little pem pem or nobody little pum pum. Everybody was lost in the moment enjoying the light of day. You always have some little girl with them claim say but they always call them tomboy. If I heg them in the red and if I jacket them in the pocket, them a climb tree, them a pull honey, them a play a gig, them a fire catapult, them a all kinds of things. And if a boy make a mistake and ramp with them, then dust them out on the spot. I could go on and on and on about Fluid Childhood. It was just a different place and a different time.